You're saying that's a real Triceratops?
Yeah, Chomp's totally real.
Did you say Chomp?
That's what Max named him, because he chomps away on anything he can get his teeth on.
So a card turned into a dinosaur? And what is this card for?
I don't know. I found that one along with Chomp's card. Don't you know?
How am I supposed to know?
Because you're an expert on dinosaurs, Dad.
True, and I thought I knew just about everything. But this is the first I've heard of little dinosaurs popping out of cards.
Actually, it was a full-sized one.
Are you joking? Where? Where is it now?
No, you gotta mess with this thing, and then Chomp gets big. Here.
Okay.
Twist that little knob on the side.
This thing? Nothing's happening. Are you sure that's what did it?
Let me see.
This is a huge discovery! But for now, let's just keep this our little secret. So mum's the word. If news of this gets out, it'll create all sorts of pandemonium. Got it?
Time for breakfast. Hi, Zoe. I didn't know you were here.
Yeah, I just got here.
Well, now, who's this cute little guy?
That's Chomp.
He's a very unique-looking dog.
Yeah, well, he followed Max home, so what do you say? Can we keep him?
That should be fine, but you'll be the one taking care of him, Max.
I will, Mom.
Okay, let's eat breakfast before it gets cold. Zoe, you can join us. We've got plenty.
Thank you.
We have to keep it a secret from Mom?
Yes, but only for a while.
The card appeared about 1,500 miles north of here.
Good! Then it's time to deploy our first dinosaur roundup mission. Alpha Gang, prepare for travel! Take Terry with you. You'll need some reptilian power to capture that dinosaur. Now don't let me down!
You can count on us.
Alpha Team out!
Accessing data and awaiting user input. Fossil reclamation currently in progress at station 2098.
Any update on the translation device, Reese?
Nothing yet, but hopefully this unit will be able to decode whatever is stored in the chip on that stone. What makes you think it's the dinosaur's thoughts that are stored in the stone? What part of your research brought you to that conclusion?
Well, I'm glad you asked, Reese. I estimate these stones were created about 65 million years ago, roughly the time dinosaurs became extinct. My analysis shows they're emitting some kind of consciousness. It would seem that the dinosaurs' minds were somehow compressed into these tablets just as they were on the verge of extinction, and then embedded with chips for decoding purposes. I don't know who designed it, but the chip contains a system that turns dinosaurs into cards. Yet another Spike Taylor theory! Reese? She's never impressed.
Destination dead ahead. Prepare to surface.
Aye, aye, Captain.
I didn't say to surface yet!
Lucky this is just a rental!
Lucky for you, we put it on my credit card!
Cat! Way to go, Chomp!
Max is so lucky to have Chomp.
Yeah, and they've really bonded. Looks like they're gonna become great friends.
Think it's because Max is the one who found him?
Yeah, I guess so. And Chomp's card only seems to work with the stone that Max found, too. I wonder what our stones are able to do.
I was thinking the same thing.
But ours didn't come with a matching card in it.
Hey, maybe our stones do have a card with a matching design, but they got lost somehow.
What's in the water? It's coming right for us! What is it? Let's get out of here!
It's huge!
What's that?
It's hard to tell.
Hey, what's going on?
Look, out there!
A Tyrannosaurus Rex!
And the hair still stands!
Where's Terry?
He's right over there.
Help me! I don't know how to swim!
Maybe you should have thought of that before.
Whatever you do, don't hold on to the end, because with your weight, there's a good chance you will cause us all to sink back into a
T-Rex really can swim!
Awesome! How about we save that conversation for later, guys? Run!
It's following us!
Let's split up!
Okay.
Wow! An actual T-Rex!
Dad!
Stand back. Watch the expert at work. So, Mr. T-Rex, nice to meet you. This is a meeting 65 million years in the making. So now prepare to be snared. I'm coming for you! Needs work. Max!
Why do I get the strange feeling that thing is after me? Get away from us! Just leave us alone! Go away! Stop it! No, Jack! Chomp! Chomp, come on, run! Leave him alone!
Max! Here, use this!
What the heck is this thing, Dad?
It's designed to work just like your stone, but easier. You can use it to make Chomp bigger. Here, read the manual.
I'll just trust you and read it later. Here we go!
Another dinosaur!
Where did this one come from?
Yeah!
I feel like a giant prune.
Terry?
Chomp! Chomp!
Forget it, Max. There's no way a Triceratops could ever defeat a T-Rex.
So what now?
I don't know, but there's gotta be something I can do.
I'm not sure what that card does, but I included it in your holder just in case. Now seems like a good time to try it out.
Here goes nothing. I gotcha!
Is he okay?
Try a swipe.
Oh, Chomp, are you alright?
He's okay.
It looked like the Tyrannosaurus Rex turned into a card, too. Who
Who do you brats think you are, screwing up our very important mission?
My name's Max, but who are you?
The Alpha Gang.
Imagine your worst nightmare.
Except you're wide awake!
Oh, so Ursula.
Fantastic, Xander.
And I said...
Did you understand any of that?
Was it some sort of a threat?
I'm not sure. So what do you guys want with us?
Well, that's for us to know and for you brats to find out, isn't it? But if you ever mess with us again, you will find out. Let's go.
Coming!
Wow, she was really weird.
The old lady?
Excuse me? Did I just hear you say old lady? I'm not an old lady. I'm barely in my teens.
Okay, shake it off.
Did she say teens?
What was that, Ed?
Hey, Dad, what is this?
A dino holder.
So it's like the stone?
I'll bet it does way more than that.
Yep, that part is a translator. It takes the dinosaur's thoughts and puts them into words.
They'll be able to talk to us?
That's right. And I've got one for Rex and one for Zoe.
Please, help us. Help us. Please, help us.